All right, well, we are done, or we should be done. We're going to see what we have here. Yes, I have already checked it, so we'll come out and we'll show you. Take one of Mr. Bill's handy sticks. And yes, we are dry. So that concludes, at least for now. I have not checked it out. It has cooled a little bit. Let's see. We bring that out. And as you noticed, or haven't, maybe you haven't noticed, but I do utilize glass as far as my baking. That was pre-greased with a spray deal, and let's see what we have here. Come back and utensil. Still quite warm. And I don't know if the camera picks up the heat coming off that or not, but there we are. Alright, Brittany, your cake is done, and I hope everybody enjoyed seeing how we process with the air fryer. Again, do quite a bit in that, especially if you're tied up in a hotel. Alright, thank you guys. We'll see you next time. Not sure what we've got planned for the next one. We may be doing something other than a cake. Who knows?